people in your lobby, guys?
24.
Oh my goodness, no way I'm in your lobby.
You're lying.
No. 25. Wait, never mind, there's 25 people.
Oh, we got 25 too.
What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, so don't go to Freaky Fields. Oh, wait.
I'm already at Freaky Fields.
Okay,
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna destroy you. Wait, what skin are you? What skin are you?
Do you see me?
Oh, you killed him!
I'm
1 health. I'm not even kidding. I'm 1 health.
You killed the guy that's in the voice call.
Wait, you did?
Oh my god.
Now I'm gonna spectate you guys. Oh, get a water.
Here,
okay.
You need the light on.
Hey, why you bullying me?
What do you mean? What?
Why are you bullying me?
You were legit right there.
Run, there's a
You were
storm.
legit right there.
I got one.
Didn't.
Oh no, the storm.
Oh.
Didn't even move.
He's low. Last dude's low.
No.
He's really low. Bob, yes! Get him. Don't kill him. Leave us. No, stop wasting your time.
90 health. 90.
The zone is right here. No, there are not even bandages.
No, the zone, no, he might have something. No, the zone's pretty weak. No,
back down on the ground.
the zone's pretty weak right now, so that's why I can get you guys. Because the zone's
It's
pretty
not
weak.
weak. There are 30.
Benji, he's down. Benji's down in 3.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
You guys ready?
4, 2, 1, 0.
How close are you to zone?
I don't have time for rest. I'm gonna die before I get to rest.
Just leave me.
No, I got you.
No, we can get there.
Yeah, we can. I'll
No,
we can just continue to res each other until we get there. I think we can make it.
Yeah.
We just take turns resing each other.
What?
I got Ragdoll. I have more health.
I can't remind you, I have 20 health.
I have 30.
Right there, and you didn't even.
The funny thing is, I didn't
get
know how to
you.
join
What the
your
fuck?
lobby. That's the funny thing.
The fun.
You were playing squad.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it.
Bob, how much health do you have?
They were shooting
I have
at
10.
me.
I have
was
10.
supposed to survive you while they were shooting at me. Oh, you can kill.
I might not make it. I have 5 health.
So terrible.
Okay.
Oh, I made it. I have 3 health. Benji, don't rush without us, cause we're gonna get raped. Oh, there's people. 300
Alright,
degrees.
let me pop this big pot real quick.
300 degrees.
Alright, let's go.
I'm over here, but they're low.
I'm gonna take an LMG just to be safe.
You guys are actually low.
No, we're actually dead. I'm sorry, dude. We're not gonna win this. I mean, you wanna go for? I'm no mats.
Oh, and astronaut.
I'm low as fuck.
Bully me.
Why you go for me? Holy cow, I'm at 7 health. Why did this man go for me? Alright, I got one.
Cause you're cute.
One's knocked. Alright, let's go.
Okay, nice.
Sure.
Dude, if we win this,
They have bullying.
hey, there should be a second dude here. There might be a second dude. Be careful. There might be a second person. Be careful.
I need some air ammo.
I eliminated that other.
Hey,
dude.
bandage here. There's a bandage. Dude, there's a bandage right there.
Guys, look
That was a
up.
kid.
This Gios guy seems insane.
Bob, I got minis. Minis.
Oh.
He just won the Get on the hill.
How we can kill him?
Hey, someone died there.
Yep. You wanna go up to that?
He might have gone sniped.
Here, I'm gonna go up here.
I saw some.
Oh, is there someone there? They're both there. They're both there.
I hit one for a lot. Headshots.
I'm just gonna rush in.
Okay, I hit one. I knocked one down. Should be the no skin.
One more guy left. 3v1.
For church on him, I dare you. I
No,
dare you.
don't.
It's a 3v1, alright, we got this.
With a shotgun.
Shotgun.
Yo,
The last guy should be in the building or something. Hey, oh, he's outside.
Where?
We got him.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Congrats.
Oh, that was so close.
I know.
Hey, GG though, GG.
Lemonade justice.
GG, man.